What is your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, point of order is a right, it's not a privilege. Standing order number 91. Stop shouting. You are not in Masai market. Stop looking
Cherargei,
down at the people.
kindly.
No. Don't stop shouting at me. You are not in a market. Point
Senator
of order,
Cherargei,
Mr. Speaker. Standing order
You
number
are
91.
out of order, Senator Cherargei. You have the floor. Address the chair. Make
Mr. Speaker,
standing
point of order on 101, contents of the speech and standing order number 1. The Senator of Narok, my good friend, who happens to be the deputy minority leader, should stop engaging a member directly. He should stop, Mr. Speaker. Instead of talking to Gloria directly, he should address Gloria through the chair. And that is what I'm just saying. So, Mr. Speaker, this is not a protest, my brother. Easy maandamano. Mr. Speaker, what I'm saying is that he should engage Senator Gloria through the seat, Mr. Speaker, through your chairmanship. Not assenting, Mr. Speaker. And we need protection. If there are people who want to do maandamano, they can go to Kamukunji. This is a house of rules and regulations. He should just address Senator Gloria through the chair, Mr. Speaker. And therefore, he's out of order.
Very well, Senator Cherargei. Senator Ledama, kindly proceed.